Hi guys, this is Bino, and what I'm going to do today is show Noah how to set up a canopy anchor using an Alpine Butterfly, just one of the basic ones, Alpine Butterfly, and choking the line. I want to see him put all his gear on, so we'll work on putting his chest on, chest harness, the foot ascender, have the rope wrench installed on the rope, and then we're going to do a climb that's really close to the tree with a one ascender, so it'll be the sit and stand method. And then I'll have him do it a little bit further out away from the tree. Alrighty. Okay, so the foot ascender, I use it as a Pantene, and it's Petzl makes it. Mine's a left-footed one, so I'll put it on my left foot. You put your foot in through here, and you kind of just put the bottom on the boot there. See, it's kind of tight. Okay, so then you put that little piece underneath your heel, and then what you do is just tighten it up. I kind of cut my strap so it's a little short, and I normally just tuck it underneath right here. Okay, now there's a lot of different kind of foot ascenders, and this is what I like. I find that with the Pantene I kind of tilt it back a little and it doesn't pop out as much. Okay, so what I wanted to show is a Alpine Butterfly, and just use a cinching canopy anchor. So the way I'm going to do it is I'll tie the butterfly line, butterfly knot. I'll do it by the wrap method. I kind of like that one. And I'll kind of I'm not going to make the eye very large because this is to one branch. Now I did this on the long end, and then I'm going to use the short end here. All I have to do is put the other end through here, and then I'm gonna pull it up to the top of the tree there. Not really the top, just where we're gonna work today. And from there, what I'll do is with this other part over here, the longer end, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna connect it to my bag so it doesn't get in the way. Climb up. Okay, so we've already got the rope wrench and the carabiner connected. What I also wanted to talk about is, like, when you're doing the SRS, that, like, when you're starting at the base, some guys will put they'll put like a shot bag to weight the bottom of the line. Because what happens when you have a little bit of weight on the line, it makes your ascender go up a little easier. The rope doesn't kind of hang on it. Okay, so now I got a little bit of weight on the line, and I'm going to stand up. I'm going to connect it to my center ring. Okay. Do a little bit of a test. Make sure I'm all good. And then what I'm going to do is I'll connect my chest harness. You need that. Connect it to the pulley at the rope wrench. And then next, what you're going to do is going to get the rope and put it in your foot ascender. And just lock it in, and then you're gonna start taking steps up the tree. So the motion is kind of like sit and stand. Sit and stand. When you're close to the tree, you can use one foot against it. All right, and then when you want to come down, you just pull your friction hitch and start coming down. Alright, so the next thing I wanted to show you is away from the tree, having the rope kind of in a free hanging space. When you're close to the trunk, you have to kind of have one foot against it and then use your other foot to ascend. But when you're free hanging, the SRS system is probably a little bit better, because all you really have to do is just sit and stand. So then you just lift your leg up, kind of stay in a straight position, and then it's mostly your leg doing the work. You don't have to worry about being against the tree. And then when you're ready to come down, you just unhook your ascender and then come on down. Cool. All right, if you can show me that butterfly, Noah. All right, Noah, can you put that chest harness on? So the chest harness is important. What it will do is pull the rope wrench up. So you'll connect it to the rope wrench carabiner or a pulley, and every time you take a step up, it'll move your knot upward. All right, looks like you're ready. Okay, Noah, if you can connect everything and give it a try. You could pull, there you go. Cool. Let me get to the other side. Yeah, having one foot against the trunk so you don't bang your knee up. Yeah, and this is more of a standing than a leaning back. Hey, when you get to that branch, why don't you just disconnect your ascender and then come on down. Relieve a little pressure off your foot. There you go. Yeah, go ahead. Lock it in. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a finesse thing. It kind of wants to run pretty quick, doesn't it? Pretty nice though. Oops. That's up close next to the tree. So when you're doing it close to the tree, it's kind of nice to have your other leg braced against it. Alright, Noah, why don't you try the free hanging rope? There you go. There you go. How's it feel? Right. Remember the, yeah, there you go. Really wants to move quickly, huh? Yeah. Cool, what do you think of that? Yeah. Cool. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to mention is now we did a cinching canopy tie-in with a butterfly hitch, or Alpine Butterfly. Now all you need to do is grab the long end of the rope, since we were using the short end, and pull it down toward you. That will bring your butterfly back down to the ground. And then all you have to do is just feed it through and then untie your butterfly. And there you go. Now you're ready to go ahead and put your stuff back in the bag. Okay, so today we were just mostly focusing on like the chest harness, foot ascender, and getting the sit-stand method, you know, close to the trunk and a little bit further away, just to kind of get used to the SRS system. So next time we'll get up into the tree and walk around a little. All right, take care.